This is what I don't understand. So they say you gotta be frame off now in order for your boss Chevy to be relevant or your car to be relevant. This boss Chevy don't G-Bot or whatever. Listen, man, check this out. I don't knock nobody who feel like they gotta be frame off on their car if the car is not needed to be frame off. There's a lot of people that's sitting at home that want to build a nice car, but they feel like they gotta go frame off. And build your car for you. You feel me? Don't go trying to go build your car to the likings of what you think everybody else on IG gonna like. Yeah. Woo. All right, y'all. So I had to come back out here and turn this damn camera back on real quick. This is what I don't understand. So they say you gotta be frame off now in order for your boss Chevy to be relevant or your car to be relevant. This boss Chevy don't G-Bot or whatever. Listen, man, check this out. I don't knock nobody who feel like they gotta be frame off on their car if the car is not needed to be frame off. Now, if your car needs to be frame off, by all means, take it frame off. I believe that's what you're supposed to do. Get what I'm saying? Get all up underneath there real quick. Okay. So therefore, if your car needs to be frame off, by all means, take your car frame off, man. Should have never closed the hood so I can show y'all up underneath, but everybody that follow me on the channel, you feel me? Y'all know how up underneath Melrose look. I don't sit up here, I don't showball, I don't knock nobody else caught off, but the way how the game going right now, I just gotta speak on it, man. I gotta speak on it. All this bought Chevy frame off, man. Y'all going frame off on cars that don't even need frame off. By all means, now it's your money. You feel like going frame off, go frame off. I ain't choosing my words lightly. No, none of that. I'm just telling it like it is. So, with Melrose, as y'all see, I bought a nice clean car. I wasn't finna take the frame off this car and go red on this frame. You get what I'm saying? For what? You wasting money for absolute no reason, dog. Just for somebody like me to pull up in the hood, pull up to a car show, and hop out. Clean as all outdoors. Let's just say if you don't even want to classify Melrose to be clean right now because she ain't got them thing-lands on there. Let's not play stupid. You get what I'm saying? Bring Melrose out just like this, or with them thing-lands on there. Pull up at a car show, hop out, and Melrose getting way more attention than your frame off build. Like I say, I ain't knocking nobody, I ain't trying to call nobody out. I'm just calling out simply what I don't like seeing in the game right now, man. I grew up around old heads, like real deal OGs that was 15 fixing up boss Chevy. You feel me? 15, 16 years old fixing up don'ts in the city. So when I catch wind of certain things, let me go back real quick. I thought I had done seen you something. So when I catch wind of certain crap, dog, it just be like, man, social media got y'all in like a whole entire, I don't know, some type of spell, just thinking that your car gotta be frame off. Man, your car gotta be frame off. Because what's so crazy is a lot of people that's sitting at home that want to build a nice car, but they feel like they gotta go frame off. So now, since they ain't got the money to go ahead and fix it frame off, or if they got the little money right now, and then by the time they get halfway through their bill or a quarter through their bill, they end up in the po highs because you want to follow crowd that's going on social media. Man, build your car for you. You feel me? Don't go trying to go build your car to the likings of what you think everybody else on IG gonna like, or to the likings of, dang, bro, I wonder if my car gonna go 700 likes when I post it on IG. Build your car for you, man. You feel me? And I tell people that all the time. Melrose ain't got her rims on right now. I got the rims. But Melrose rims ain't on right now. You feel me? And I'm still out here enjoying my car, having fun. I went to Chipotle today. I ran errands in this car. I went to go pick up parts for this car. You feel me? Today. Everybody's stopping me, telling me the car look good. This, that. I'm stopping talking to people. People telling me they had cars like this back in the 80s when they first came out. Come on, man. Build my car for me to be able to enjoy. You feel me? Without Melrose, I'm still somebody. I was somebody in a damn Altima on 26s and 28s when they was talking about, oh, it's a baby mama car. Bro, It's not about the car. It's about the dude that's inside the car, man. Remember that. Please remember that, man. It's about the dude that's within the car. So if you fix up you a nice car and you decide not to go frame off, you feel me? You can still have a hot car in the city, man. Still have a hot car in the city. It's all about you, how you present your car, how you step with your car. You feel me? I got people telling me, oh, bro, man, you got one of the hardest boss Chevy builds on YouTube. Hey, man, I appreciate it, dog. But I'm building it for me. I ain't really building it for YouTube. I'm building it for me. I always told y'all, man, I started this YouTube channel strictly to just vlog and record my crop, dog, because I remember growing up seeing 78 Chevy boy posting his vlogs, and I was like, man, I gotta post my vlogs, dog, on my car. One thing about being monetized, it ain't all about the money, it ain't all about none of that, dog. It's just about connecting with people, man, giving people the insights that some people didn't give me. They want to see me crash out with the boss Chevy, you feel me? And I came back, double back around. Stamp. That's all that come down to. I got a smear right there by that back door. Came from that tower the other day. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that. But yeah, man, that's all I just wanted to come on here and just let y'all know, man. Build y'all car for y'all. Don't build y'all car for Instagram likes and Facebook likes, man. Because at the end of the day, some of these people not telling y'all how they end up getting these parts on the car. They sponsor cars, all of this, and y'all around here breaking y'all necks trying to throw 30, 40,000 inside a motor because they said they got 20 on the frame. You get what I'm saying, man? Build a car for you. If you know that you're going to be driving this car all the time in the hood, doing burnout, smashing out, man, what you spending 20K on the frame? Now, if you got it, then go on ahead, spend it. But me personally, dog, you feel me? I ain't spending no 20K on no frame, dog. Especially if my frame look good. I ain't doing it. For all the nitpickers that may come on here and be talking junk, dog, trust me, you know how Melrose look up underneath, dog. Let's not play crazy. Melrose squatted back there, too. Up underneath Melrose look damn good, man. And I ain't even go frame off. It's crazy. I did my frame, though. I did my belly, but I ain't go frame off. That's it, man. But we're gonna have more of these discussions, though. I just had to turn that on and get that up out of my chest, dog, because I don't like the way this whole Instagram crap be unfolding with these boss Chevys, man. Started with the don'ts, man. Y'all keep that over there with them don't boys. No offense to y'all don't boys, I love y'all. But, man, y'all gotta keep that away from the boss Chevy culture, dog. Gotta keep it away from the boss Chevy culture, man. Matter of fact, let me show y'all the inside of Melrose. Showing the outside, brand new weather stripping all the way. Come on, man. All up in the door. I ain't kind of play with Melrose, man. Yeah, we still missing that. What's that, a smudge on my seat? Stop playing, man. This ain't even frame off, dog. Stop playing. Stop playing, man. I gotta say thangalings, man. Melrose 2.0 coming soon. Just had to let y'all know, man, I can build a nice car without having rims, because there's a lot of people that go to the club without dazing. Yeah, let that sizzle in your spirit, man. Let that sizzle in your spirit. But we're gonna have more talks about this.